transit in Montreal has just gotten so much better. Thanks to the REM, of course. Hello friends, Kevin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take public transit around Montreal using the REM. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And now, on to the video. Alright, let's talk about the prices. Travel in the A zone, so access to the REM, bus, metro, and train to get around pretty much all of Montreal. Same price. It's going to cost you $3.75 for a one-way trip, or you can get 10 trips for $34.25, $104.50 for the monthly pass. And of course, if you're traveling in different zones, that being Longueuil, Laval, Brossard, northern and southern suburbs, those are different prices. If you're curious about the prices of the different zones, I'll leave them down below. And good news for the folks 65 and over, you can take the REM absolutely free. The free ride will be valid for travel all modes in Zone A by REM and by bus, metro, commuter train, or paratransit, my friends. To take advantage, make sure to see the link below. This offer is only for Montreal residents. Where can I buy my ticket? You can buy your tickets at any of the stations and various different point of sales. As soon as you walk into one of those stations, look for one of these. This is the ticket distributor machine, and all you have to do is tap on the screen, and then it'll give you some options. 1, if you have an OPUS card, or 2, if you don't have a valid OPUS card and you just need a one-way fare. And for those of you that don't know what an OPUS card is, it's just a rechargeable fare card. It looks like this, big plastic. It's convenient. And then for actual pricing itself, all you have to do is choose your different zones, Zone A, Zone AB, Zone C, etc. But if you're just pulling up to the station, we're going to go ahead, click Zone A, choose all modes right over here. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click one trip. It's going to be $3.75. I can pay with either cash or card, debit or credit. Just note, if you do pay in cash and you pay with a larger bill than $20, it's just going to spit out a bunch of toonies at you, and then you're going to be left with an absurd amount of change. Now, if you're only visiting Montreal, you're going to be needing a Zone A ticket. So for the purpose of the video, this is all that we're going to be focusing on, is just Zone A. At the time of recording this video, there are 19 stations open. Ile-des-Arts, Gare Centrale, McGill, Édouard-Montpetit, Canara, Ville de Montréal, Côte-de-Liesse, Montpellier, de Réseau, Bois-Franc, Sunnybrook, Pierrefonds, Roxborough, and more to come. If I butchered any of those names, I apologize. I'm trying to film this as quickly as possible. Alright, we have our tickets. Now it's time to click in and head in the direction of downtown. Once you have your OPUS card or your one-way fare, all you have to do is bring it to one of the terminals and just click in. Down at the bottom, there's a little white square. Boom! Gates are open. If you're wondering which direction to go in, I recommend using Google Maps or take a look at the maps that are available on each side of the platform. I'm currently at the Pierrefonds Roxborough area, so I'm going down to Gare Centrale. And I do have to say, these stations are extremely clean. There are no vending machines available, there's no snacks. They do have some seating here and there, and there is no bathrooms for public use. Now, let's talk about accessibility. The 26 stations will offer universal access to be equipped with elevator cars and be designed to meet accessibility requirements. And rest assured, there are reserved spaces for baggage, bicycles, and of course, strollers. And yes, you can bring your bicycle on the REM. With that out of the way, let me talk about capacity and show you inside the cars. Theoretical capacity, 600 passengers for a 4-car train with a maximum capacity of 780 including standing. There is also a handy capacity indicator on top of the doors, which indicate which cars are full and which are not. Green, yellow, and red. Is there air conditioning in the summer? And is the REM heated in the winter? Absolutely. Yes. I'm taking it right now and it's nice and cool. Apparently there's supposed to be unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi as well. Now I can confirm that there is Wi-Fi aboard of this thing, but it is definitely not high-speed by any means. At most stations you're getting about 4 megabits per second with 5 upload. Is the REM connected to the metro lines? Yes, the REM is connected to 3 Montreal metro lines. The orange line via Bonaventure Station, Central Station, so if you want to take the Via Rail, you can there. the blue line at Édouard-Montpetit station, and the green line via McGill station. Will the REM take me to the airport or from the airport? Although access is not available yet, they do plan to have it soon. The REM will offer fast and direct service from the airport to downtown in about 20 minutes. There you go. You're an expert at taking the REM now. All you have to do is walk through the automated doors and you're done. You're all set to explore the beautiful Montreal. That's it for the video. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe. And if you're looking for a how-to on how to get from the airport to downtown taking the bus, or how to get on the Via Rail and head towards Quebec City from Montreal, I have videos about that too. And of course, if you have any questions about Montreal or taking the REM, leave them down below. I'll try to respond to each and every single one of your comments. Bye for now!